As the air turns crisp and the trees begin their golden dance, the world whispers, "It's time to slow down." Autumn arrives not to end your story, but to help you rewrite it. To remind you that in every falling leaf lies the beauty of letting go. This is your invitation to align with the rhythm of nature, to find balance, breathe deeper, and reclaim your inner calm. 1. The wisdom of autumn. Every season carries a message, and autumn's voice is soft yet powerful. Release what no longer serves you. Just as trees shed their leaves without fear, you too can release old patterns, doubts, and weights that dim your light. It's not the end. It's transformation. A sacred pause before your next great bloom. 2. Nourishing your body and soul. This season calls for warmth inside and out. Wrap your days in comfort foods, herbal teas, and slow mornings. Feed your body with Earth's harvest pumpkin, apples, ginger, cinnamon, nature's love letters to your well-being. Move gently. Sleep deeply. Let your body rest into the season's quiet wisdom. 3. The inner shift. Autumn reminds us that growth also means release. As daylight shortens, turn inward. Reflect. Ask yourself, what do I need to let go of to make space for peace? Create cozy rituals, morning gratitude, evening stillness, or a journal of dreams. Each moment of mindfulness becomes a leaf falling gracefully toward your next chapter. 4. Rising with autumn's energy. This is the time to realign your spirit. To dream softly, plan intentionally, and trust your inner rhythm. The universe is slowing down, so should you. Because your power doesn't always roar sometimes, it whispers through stillness. So as autumn paints the world in gold, may you find beauty in change, strength in release, and peace in your own unfolding. You are part of this season's magic, a soul in sync with nature's heartbeat. If this spoke to your heart, hit like, share this warmth, and let's journey together one mindful season at a time.